This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Well-maintained townhome in the heart of Virginia Beach, end unit. 3 bedrooms with 1.5 bathrooms. Bright and open floor plan with a breakfast area looking out into a fully fenced-in backyard. Community park, grocery store, and restaurants within walking distance. Just minutes to Lynnhaven Mall, shopping, schools, hospital, and Oceana and Dam Neck naval bases. No Homeowners Association fees. For more information, review the details below.